Very good morning, dear students. Today I am here for the lecture of grade 11th, and I am starting with the second part of Alien Planet. Earlier we did the first part. So starting with the second part, we have done till that the way we are losing our land, forest. So we all have to, according to James Beth, we all have to consider it that we should not lose our earth, our planet in this way, the way we are losing. So according to the study of like Article 48A, what we need to you can say take care of, that the Constitution of India, the state, should try to protect and improve the environment and must protect the forest as well as the wildlife of the country. Here the painful fact is that laws are not followed in India. For example, casteism, untouchability, and labor, bonded labor, they are abolished but still are followed shamelessly. Over the last 4 decades, you can say, India is losing forest at a harmful rate of 3.7 million acres a year. And as per the report of Parliament, means this is the report given by the Parliament Estimates Committee. And the large area of forest land is now treeless, and the actual loss is estimated somewhere 8 times at the rate given by the government statistics. So we need to take care of. According to the 3-year study conducted by United Nations, they have used satellites, aerial photography. So they have came to the report that our environment has got so bad, so means in critical situation, means they have calculated from 88 countries, India is in critical situation. Growth of world population is the strongest reason for this. And when you can say earlier it took more than 1 million years to reach the first billion population, but in the next 100 years the population number will increase by next billion numbers. How it is increased? Like in the 20th century the population reached 3.7 billion, and the present number when this chapter was written, it reached to 5.7 billion, and now it is too much. So we need to think of it is increasing 1 million in every 4 days. How difficult it is. We need to think of how we can save our planet. So what this chapter says, that development is the best possible solution for overpopulation. It can help in reduction in fertility and rise in income, to spread more education and improvement in health. But if the number of population will keep on increasing, it will help in attaining any kind of development, because more people doesn't mean more jobs. The population of India is estimated to be 920 million today. No, it is more than 920 million. But here, because the chapter is written earlier, and it is more than the entire population of Africa and South America together. If you put the population of both together, India's population is more than that. Here no one is familiar with the conditions in India, and we have doubt on this, that what people will do in their future. They will die in their hungry hutments until and unless population control is given topmost priority. The population of India is in this stage that we need to think of, that how we can control it, what we can do for this. Here you can say this population is all in all deteriorating the health condition of our, you can say, this planet, that is Earth. And along with the solving environmental conditions, first we need to take care of how we can save this Earth. So we need to control our population first. That we have to do. And in the era of responsibility, you can say, towards the environment, industry plays an important role. Chairman of DuPont, Mr. Wohlert, declared himself as the chief environmental officer, and such attitude in other businessmen can have a great effect on the transformation. Yes, if they can start thinking, why can't we? We cannot, it is India, this earth is not divided into parts. It is all in all. We should keep an holistic view. We should think of it as whole. It is not divided into parts. And when Margaret Thatcher was a prime minister, her one statement, which was so well chosen, that she said that no human on this earth holds a permanent tenure. We all have life possession. We came, we have to live, we have to go, but we cannot give a scorched planet to the next generation. We have a full repairing lease. According to Mr. Lesson Brown, we have inherited this earth. If we have inherited this earth from our forefathers, in the same way, we have borrowed, like the way we are inheriting the money, the property. But if I'll talk about the earth, we have borrowed it from our children. So we need to take care of our earth. Otherwise, we'll be giving scorched planet to the next generation, and the next generation will curse us when they will be living their life on this earth. Here I have ended up the second part of Ailing Planet. Thank you. Have a nice day, and we'll meet you soon for the next chapter.